Hi, here's Klaas Nienhuis, and in this video I want to show you a new feature where you can add your custom image sources. So instead of using Bing Maps or other satellite images, you can add an image source to get cloud coverage, for instance, real cloud coverage. Or you can get an image source with a different and custom look. So let's get started. First we need to add a new image source. So you go to settings and go to image sources, and you see here there's a list of 0 image sources. Well, we're going to make a new one and we're going to use a template. It's called a MapStack template. So it will add a new name with a random string. There are some settings in here. Well, we can just try this one out already. This one works. So if we make a new satellite image and go to terrain, go to the drop down, and you can see here all at the bottom there's my first custom image source. Let's make that map. There we are. So this is the look of my image source. And it's a little bit weird, so if I zoom out, right, very nice, but we can actually customize these, and for that we can go to MapStack, and here you can create custom looks for your map. I'm going to try it, so I'm going to start with the gray base layer, and let's add some water. I probably want to mask this with water. Well, there you see what's going on. Well, let's add another layer, maybe red, and let's mask this with lines. Yeah, well, there we go. So here are some lines, and maybe I want to add one more. Green, can I mask something else? Barks. Well, there we are. This is a cool map. So how do we get this map into a Maproom? It's a little bit fiddly, and I will probably improve this later on, but you just press right mouse button on here, and either you view the image or you say copy image address, depends on the browser you're in, and then you paste this address in here, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to get my the address generated in here, copy, and I'm going to put it next to it. So you can see that my address has some symbolic values in it. So I've got zoom level, tile X, tile Y. These symbolic values are needed to create the maps, but this part here between the brackets, that's the actual style and the look I just made. So if I go to the one I got from just now from MapStack, I can just copy everything within these brackets, copy and paste, and here is my new style. And if I then copy this into Maproom, and I commit my changes, clink, then I should be able to see new map. And there we are. This is the new look, and this look matches with this one here. So if there we are. I just made a style online, and then with the MapStack image source I can get that style directly into Maproom. When I make a new style and make an Aris template, Aris is a company which does climate monitoring, temperatures, wind, clouds, etc. There are some more things here in this URL template. So there's a token map ID, and then the zoom level and tile Y and tile X. So the token is something you get when you go to Aris, get an account, and you can get a free account, and then you have some limited access to some map tiles. So this is something personal. And the map ID is one of the many map types they have. So either it's satellite imagery or cloud coverage. So there are many variations of this. So if I add my information for one of these accounts, here's my token. I'm going to blur this out. And here's my the map ID. It's called satellite, and I'm going to commit my changes. And if I now go to my terrain layer, I can switch to my Aris image source and update the images. These are actually PNGs, so you can make them transparent where there are no clouds. You just have to add the opacity layer.